everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to conjugate regular verbs in the present tense in Spanish. So grab a pen and a piece of paper and let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand what verb conjugation is. In Spanish, verbs change their form to match the subject of the sentence. Today, we'll focus on regular verbs in the present tense, which express actions happening in the present. Let's dive into the world of verb conjugation. Regular verbs in Spanish follow a predictable pattern in their conjugation depending on their ending and the pronoun. Let's see how to conjugate the verbs in the present tense when the verbs end with
ar, ir.
Let's see it with some examples. We are starting with a verb that ends in
ar.
Look and listen to how the ending changes depending on the pronoun.
Yo amo. Tú amas. Usted ama. Él ama. Ella ama. Nosotros amamos. Ellos aman. Ellas aman. Ustedes aman.
Now, let's move on to the verbs that end in
Yo toso. Tú toses. Usted tose. Él tose. Ella tose. Nosotros tosemos. Ellos tosen. Ellas tosen. Ustedes tosen.
Finally, let's show you how to conjugate in present tense when the verb ends in
ir. Yo vivo. Tú vives. Usted vive. Él vive. Ella vive. Nosotros vivimos. Ellos viven. Ellas viven. Ustedes viven.
Here is a list of verbs so you can continue practicing. You did awesome! You just learned how to conjugate verbs in the present tense in Spanish. Don't forget to subscribe to continue learning in our next lesson, and remember to have fun while practicing and learning Spanish.